Hi, I'm Rob DiMartino. I work at Applied Automotive Technology as an ADAS consultant. I am responsible for the sales revenue team and making sure that our customers get the service that they deserve. Some customers come to us and already know what they want. Other customers, it's brand new. We answer any questions that they have with regard to setting up an ADAS calibration business. There's a lot of pieces and parts, and so we help them and walk them through every step of the way and get them comfortable with the right calibration frames, the right software, the right targets, and they're confident in what they're about to embark on. I also consult with the finances. I want to make sure that their businesses are set up properly and that they have the flow of the cars that they need to sustain a profitable business. The sales of the equipment is just the beginning of a long-term relationship. I still keep in contact with customers that I've talked to 2 years ago and make sure that they're still growing and being profitable and happy with their business. For most of my career, I've been a finance professional, CPA, CFA. One of the things that I love to do and talk with customers about is the potential for growing a profitable business. We've built an ROI calculator that's on our website, and it shows how much revenue you can generate based on the number of cars that you calibrate. I find that very rewarding personally to convey profitability for someone's business that they haven't even started yet. I've been a car enthusiast since I was a small boy, and I still am to this day. So I love to work on cars. I love to fish in the ocean. I have a boat. The boat itself is a mechanical challenge for the most part that keeps me interested. It's a labor of love. I love coming in to work every day because I'm excited about helping people gain control over the whole ADAS calibration business in their body shop. I also love technology, and I just get so excited about that, the combination of the technology and the cars. The whole ADAS idea is one that really does save lives and prevents accidents on the road. So that makes it valuable to me as an individual.